create collection, and we'll put my collection, and now it gave OK response saying that it has added. So now in order to add or insert an element, we have to use a command db.myCollection, db.myCollection.insert one. So this helps us in inserting just one value. So here we have the key and the value is John, and we'll put the next key value as age 30. So now it says it's been acknowledged. So now in order to find the values, we have to use db.myCollection.find. So now we are able to see that we have one object over here with the default ID, which is automatically given by MongoDB, the name and age. So that's how we insert a command in MongoDB.